What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing some seats on the S2000. Well, I kind of don't know where this video is going, honestly. It's kind of like a, I don't want to say a vlog, but we're going to start on that side. Try to get those out. I've never installed seats before. It's usually my buddy Danny who did it on the Supra. And I'm just going to try to get those seats out. And I'll film most of the process. It's not really going to be like a tutorial of how to install. It's going to be me doing all this stuff. Gotta get the Supra out of the way so I can have some space. So these are the seats that Danny installed on the Supra. Came out fire. So I gotta get the Porsche out the way, gotta back the Supra, and we'll get started with that. So I'm probably gonna record, yeah, let's record a cool start on this. It's very loud. Alright, so I got the Supra out, and I already started with unbolting the roof. Where's it at? Yep, getting that out, other side, getting that out, and then just these latches on top. I'm gonna try to take that off myself. I don't know if I could, but we'll go for it. And then here's the seats, well, one of the seats, the other one's inside, and then new harnesses because those red ones are beat up. All right, let's try to get that roof off. Okay, so now, well, I've already unbolted the screws. There's two in the back, two in the front. It'd be much easier to pull that out now that the roof's off. So I'll update you guys once that's out and these are ready to go in. Okay, so now that we have those out, I don't know when the last time this was cleaned, but we're gonna vacuum all that. And then we gotta take off these brackets because these are going on the new seats. They should fit. If not, we'll have to order new brackets and we're gonna be without seats for I don't know how long. But yeah, so basically these are the seats the car came with. Bought the car about 2 weeks ago. These are the harnesses, which are they're okay, but not a fan of them. So we'll wash that out, not wash that out, vacuum that out, and then we'll get started with replacing that onto the new seat. All right, quick update. We are running to the store to get a carpet cleaner, and we are taking the Porsche. Alrighty. Quick update. We're running to the store to get a carpet cleaner because failure failure indicator. I don't know what's going on, but we're running to the store to get a carpet cleaner for the S2K. So a warning light just came up on the Porsche saying failure indicator, and then it had like a little gas logo. So hopefully we don't get stranded, but should be fine. We're only headed about 2 minutes down the road, and hopefully we're gonna have more content of this car, like some POV drive videos. What else? Yeah, there's a lot, but we're pretty much done modding this car. It's just, I don't know, it's just been thrown to the back, like been a daily driver. The goal was was to kind of have like a track build, but it's not happening, at least not anytime soon. So I'll update you guys once I grab the product and we're back at the house cleaning up the SDK. Alright guys, so believe it or not, it's been a week since I last updated you guys. That's because I had the complete wrong brackets. Now these just came in today, so hopefully those fit those bright seats right there. So we're gonna start by finish cleaning up that. I got this carpet cleaner, and that's about it for now. Yeah, this car's been sitting here for a week. I don't even know if it'll start, but hopefully it's good. Alright, so I finally got the bracket put on, got both sides put on, and then I figured for at least this portion of the harness, I could have it attached to that, and then the other side of the harness, that's the other side, we'll just bolt on down here along with the seat. And I also cleaned this out. It's a little dirty because I was stepping in it, but cleaned out pretty decently compared to what it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and start bolting this down into that, and then we'll go ahead and fix this up. Last step is that, and then we got a whole mess on the other side. Just finished installing the left side seats. Here's a comparison from the original seats I had in the car. These ugly seats. I don't know why anybody would put that in there, but it's in there. And then here you have the bright seats. Got these also mounted on. So what did I have a problem with? Yeah, pretty much just lining these up. Still got to tighten this one up, but on that corner it was pretty hard because it was all the way squished in. Otherwise, not that hard of an install. Comfort wise, those are more comfortable, more wider, but we'll rock with these for now. Alright, I gotta change that one now, so I don't think I'm gonna record much of changing that one since I pretty much did on this, but if I run into something, I'll update you guys. All right, finally done with boat seats, boat harnesses on, boat seats bolted down, went for a drive already, put the roof back on, and honestly way better, but not exactly more comfy, but I'm fine with that. They're really tight on the hips. So definitely don't recommend this. I believe it's for I mean, I do recommend them, but I don't recommend it if your waist is over 34, I believe. was the size for this one. I'm not sure if they make bigger ones, but these work for this car, so we're gonna rock with those. What do I have problems with for installing these? It was yeah, this the bolt down here was like insanely chipped, so it took forever to take that out, but other than that it was fairly easy. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Roof's back on. Prefer it without the roof, honestly, but we're gonna rock with that. And here's the Supra. We got another Supra video coming soon. It's gonna be for the rims. Not gonna say what they are, but they're gonna look crazy. Now these are the ones that came with the car. Not a big fan of those. And new ones are, I don't want to say, but we're gonna have a crazy reveal video for that. And the Porsche has some content coming too. That's actually up for sale, but there's content coming. So thank you guys for watching. We'll be back with more videos.